We don't have much time. We all know we're already living in a climate crisis. No one seems to doubt it after this past year. We meet. Much of Pakistan is still underwater, needs help. Families are facing impossible choices, choosing which child to feed and wondering whether they'll survive. This is the human cost of climate change.
Hello everyone, this is Ashar Azam. Last year, dnata for Good motivated me. I planted trees with zero investment by collecting moringa seeds. I grow them in my house. Afterwards, I planted them on the roadside. As a result, I received greater appreciation from my organization. I had visited Dubai. It does not end here. My project now becomes greater inspiration for my colleague. I call it change effect. Each of them are going to plant trees and inspire others to plant trees. In this way, each member have their own team and number of trees are increasing day by day. And now I declared, together we can change the world. I was aware and worried too about the natural disaster this year. Therefore, I took initiative last year. One-third of Pakistan is now inundated. Due to current flood, crops are underwater and wasted. Most of the villages and settlements have been disconnected and isolated from neighboring facilities. And most importantly, education of millions of children has been disrupted. Another critical point is serious shortage of food due to losses of livestock and standing crops, as well as many viruses and dengue fever are spreading. Therefore, dnata is here to inspire, motivate, and lead to October for Good.
Learn character from trees, values from roots, and change from leaves. Hi everyone. Last year, Ashar took an excellent initiative in planting moringa trees at the roadside of his society. So he motivated his friends and colleagues. We at office were also very motivated by his act. So we gathered at a ground nearby our office, and we had an excellent tree plantation drive there. It was a very healthy and team engagement activity. So if we could have done these kinds of activities before, Pakistan would have been saved from this climatical disasters which Pakistan is facing right now. Thank you, dnata, for providing this opportunity for all the employees to take part in these kinds of activities. Thank you. dnata for good.
Assalamu alaikum. Since everyone is aware that the climate is changing worldwide and making major effect on the human being lives in the world, my colleague Ashar Azam last year take initiative to make the world green, and he planted number of plants, and he took a good initiative and won an award for this from the company in continuation of dnata for good. And this year is also he is doing the same practice. Along with him, we also plant some trees in our nearby area in the colony, and we wish him best of luck, and we together we can make change, and together we can help to our environment to grow up. dnata for good.
Hi everyone, hope all of you are well. Last year, our colleague Mr. Asher won the dnata for good event, which is regarding sustainable environment. This year, we decided to be a part of Asher team and plant tree as many as possible for the green environment, and we really appreciate the effort of dnata regarding sustainable environment. Thank you, Asher. Thank you, dnata.
Asha has taken a good initiative, and as a part of this initiative, current year in the Nata for Good, we celebrate this event in the month of October. So Asha has taken this year. They are involving their colleagues, they are involving their families, they are involving their relatives to spread this information or this good initiative to plant the trees, because it's good for our climate, or it's also reduce the emissions of our ozone layers, or it's also beneficial for our environment, because the earth is moving towards the global warming. So this initiative, we take a good